Hello everyone, Lambda Equitech welcomes you. In this video we will learn about automated alert system, and how to read the alert generated by system. We request you to watch this video till end. Let's get started. What is automated alert system? Automated alert system is a ready-made scanner, based on support and resistance concept, which identifies momentum stocks in live market based on price action, volume analysis, few technical indicators and fundamental parameters. This system has been developed only for swing trading, considering the duration of trade for 1 to 15 working days. Benefits of automated alert system. Number 1, 100% automated, no manual intervention. Number 2, 100% unbiased, machine works only on logic and calculation, and there is no human psychology involved in this, so it is 100% unbiased. Number 3, 100% noiseless, no external factors are involved. Number 4, 100% real-time alerts. For human being it is not possible to scan all the stocks in live market, while machine does this task fantastically and generates real-time alerts. Now how to read the alert. You will get the alert in this format. The first line of the alert talks about what type of this alert is. Bullish or bearish. To make it more eye-catcher we have added the green circle for bullish alert and red circle for bearish alert. Next line is trigger time, which is self-explanatory itself, when and at what time this alert has been generated. Now come to the third line, which tells you for which stock this alert has been generated. Hope these 3 lines are now clear to you. Now we will discuss about next line, which is trigger price. This is very important aspect of the alert. Trigger price is the price where all the predefined conditions have been met. So is this the price we have to get into the trade? Hold on, not to hurry to get into the trade. We have introduced a smart feature here, which will help you to identify the best price to ride with momentum. So when system identifies the best price, it will say, wait for best price to enter near, along with the best price. And when trigger price is fine to ride, then it will say, you may go with trigger price. Now come to the next 2 points, which are stop loss and system stop loss. The first stop loss is the price, which you have to keep in your mind, and wait for the day closing. Don't put this stop loss into the system. If price is closed below the stop loss, and next day it is still going downside, then you have to exit from the trade. However, system stop loss is the price, which you can put into the system. In case due to any news or external factor, a sudden move comes against the momentum, system stop loss will limit our losses. Next is target. We are giving up to 3 targets. Although here market sentiments are very important to decide that we have to wait for target or not. When market is trending, then we can wait for all the targets with trailing stop loss. But when the market is sideways or having high volatility, it's better to book the quick profit without waiting for target. Additionally, we are giving one more important point in alert. We are suggesting when was last alert generated for the same stock. This will help to identify the demand-supply zone of this stock. Now coming to last lines in alert. This specify that stock belongs to which sector or index. You must be thinking, how will this help in your decision? This will enhance conviction to a particular trade. Suppose a particular index is bullish. And if alert comes for the stock which belongs to this index, this reconfirms stock can perform well, as the whole index is performing well. For example, if alert is for Nestlé and Nifty FMCG is already performing well, then it adds more conviction to Nestle trade. Hopefully now you will be in better position of understanding the automated alert. Till here the alerts detailing is common for cash segment and FNO segment. Now next part of the alert is purely for FNO segment. We have tried to simplify the FNO alert to make the quick and smart decision. FNO is always very risky when you do naked trade. So we always recommend to FNO trade with proper hedging. That's why we are giving 2 identified and hedged FNO strategies with every alert. This is just for your knowledge purpose, however, you can deploy your own strategy as per your comfort. We are also providing the lot size, max loss, max profit and margin information in alerts for your decision making. Also, you can always trade in cash for FNO triggers as per your risk appetite. In next video we will explain more about FNO alert. How and when to deploy strategy 1 or strategy 2. Hopefully this video is useful for you to understand the alert definition. Good luck and enjoy automated alert system.